Hey everybody, it's Marcia from One Scrap at a Time, and I'm back today with another process video for my creative scrapbook. So I'm using the February main kit, and I am using the papers from the PhotoPlay Paper Company, and this is the We Are Family collection. And what I did is I cut out this really cool messy circle with stars in it. And I want to do a mixed media background. You can get this cut file for free from paperissues.com. Literally all their cut files are free, and they have some fabulous ones. So if you're into cut files like I am, go take a look, and you can download the cut files and use them there. They're fabulous. So I really like this star one. And so what I'm doing for my background is I applied some gesso to the just plain white cardstock, and then I'm using some Vicki Boutin art crayons, and I just colored a messy yellow circle, and I'm adding a little bit of orange in there near the stars. And I kind of want to do a messy effect, so I spray it all with water, and then I just let it drip. And then checking again to see how it looks, and I decided I needed to add a little bit more yellow. So this is a really easy way to do a mixed media background with the Vicki Boutin art crayons. So I'm scrapping a photo today of my niece Bailey, and she is in postgraduate program for occupational therapy. And so when she was accepted for this program, my sister-in-law took her picture here with the sign that says the program that she's in 2020. So she'll be graduating. She'll be the class of 2020 of occupational therapists graduating. So we were all happy for her. And I really wanted to scrap the photo, and so I thought this would be a great way to do it. I love the blues from this PhotoPlay Paper collection, and so I kind of wanted to keep to that theme other than the yellow background. So there's like a bluish green print on here that I'm using, that I'm matting with the photo, and then there's the dark blue. So I kind of wanted to keep it that monotone color. So you might see me struggling to pull in some other colors, and I opt out of like that striped paper. I just wanted to keep more of the monotone look. Alright, so I put some foam tape behind my photo to give it some dimension, and I used a punch to just put a little edge, notebook edge for school, since this is a school photo. OCD that way. So I have this great big huge clear ruler, which makes it easy to check because I can see through it that everything is straight. Alright. There are some stars that I kept from this cut file. I didn't want to throw them away. I thought it would be really cool to embellish with the stars. And I'm also using some of the phrase stickers for my title. So I'm going to do Happy Day for my title. So I'm going to get my ruler out again to make sure that my title is straight. One thing I didn't mention was before I started to adhere this photo down, I did a bunch of machine stitching all around the circle. So I went around the circle. There's like three messy circles here, so I went around this and machine stitched it down 3 times. So I also did some machine stitching over the phrase stickers to Happy Day. I'm always worried that these might fall off, so sometimes I like to machine stitch those down too. So I apologize for my voice. I have a little bit of a scratchy throat yet from a cold. So I apologize. My voice is sounding a little gravelly. Alright, so I'm going to adhere some of these stars down from the negative space from my cut file, but to make them pop a little bit more, I'm taking a blue marker and I'm just going around the edge of the stars with the blue marker, and that will help define the shape a little bit more, and it'll pop from the background better and won't blend in so much. It's a little hard to see. Maybe in the close-ups you can see better. I also did a little bit of computer journaling. So I just printed on some plain white paper just a few things that I could cut into strips to explain the program that my niece is doing. So I put that below my title, and then I'm going to put some more of the stars down. I did end up putting a little strip of pattern paper at the top and the bottom as well. Once I had the stars down, I thought it looked a little bland yet. I like the monotone look with the blues, but I just wanted something to keep your eye focused between the stripes of pattern paper. I think you see the stripes at the top and it moves your eye down. You see the photo, and then you get to the stripes at the bottom, and then you just go back up. So it's a way to keep your eye focused on what your layout is about. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is just splatter a little bit of gold Heidi Swap color shine on here to give the background a little bit more interest. So I'm protecting my photo with some plastic and just splattering some ink drops down. And that's my layout. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye bye now.